Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik, and in today's news we have a pack of dark fantasy monsters as battlers by Jaloo. Next we have two interesting game releases. Heard there was a chosen one. In this game, the Dark Lord has heard you're the chosen one and is after you from your very first quest. This is an action RPG where you progress through randomly generated dungeons while constantly watching your back for the Dark Lord after you. Side note, this game is made in MV, completely evented, without using any plugins. Where Shadows Lie, an action puzzle game where you play as a fisherman stranded on an island that's frozen in time. Fight through monsters, avoid traps, manipulate time, and return home. Next, we have two music packs, 7 loops composed for puzzle, platformer, or casual games by Succour, and 10 modern themed tracks by I Am One Abe. Next, we have two new plugins. An MV and MZ plugin by Monokura that allows us to offset Y coordinate of state icon for each enemy battler, and an MZ plugin by MyEnemy that generates actors with randomized stats, a pack of Scribble sound effects by Rotsue, and lastly a plant and nature tileset by Zenofro. That is all for today. Go back to game making now.